I gotta catch a glimpse of these warlocks.
If confidence is flawless, my language is pristine. Must have been Whitney to Corpus Christi. Limp nose on strip poles, limp nymphs foes. Nice and colorful, but colors fool like Kimbo's. You should just bona vibes, then bon voyage. TTF on ATVs, but I was motocross. Vatos with my lagros, Libertarian Peninsula. I see the everlasting, I am Mithra. One hand catch like Anquan Bolden. Brown sugar sandlot, Coach Mike Holmgren. The sorcerer's apprentice, manifest golem. Bland Samsara, amethyst rolling. Hammer pants with sickle cell, I manage, but my symbols tell. Tandem on the Portobello, once you in the Cinder realm. Stories of the stepping stones, heavens to where Betsy drove. One block, but a Tupac radius. One eye on everyone, even if you're atheist. Believable in each zone, people are stored by. Belly of the beast mode, keyholes to warlocks.
Warlock of your jealous face sits before you.
Backstage passes, access the skybox. O'Reilly factors to do it livestock. Show is gonna talk, how you watch me like a hawk. You're not half a man, you're just a warlock. His staff is not the way he works his forces. Puts them in department stores, humanity resources. She has the derriere, I'm the last defender. They can open doors for me, but I never enter. Many men have sent for him, made the great descent for him. Bring him to our echelon, tell him not to tell no one. Just as long as he carries out his orders, he can live amongst us, ride the wheels of fortune. Made his six packs just to gain his strengths, and he uses what he gains as shady invocations. Brings about his wrath with incapacitation. The way he gets away is with teleportation. You can feel it when he's with you, but you never see him coming. Get ready what you need to do before he bring about his bedlam. Get ready.
You're all nothing shy of traitors. Your rational egos will be your downfall. Mark this warlock's words. Defeat is not an option.